What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the media keeps stopping error on your Redmi 13. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings scroll down and here tap on apps. Now in apps tap on manage apps and here tap on this three dot more option. Now tap on other settings and then tap on reset app preferences. Now here tap on reset apps. So when you will tap on this option here, it will reset the app preferences for all the apps, and after that the media keeps stopping error will be fixed. But if you're still facing the issue, then try updating the phone's software. So for that, open settings, tap on about phone and then tap on the software version, and then it will automatically check for available updates. So if you have any update available, then update the software to the latest version, and after updating the software to the latest version, the media keeps stopping error will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the media keeps stopping error on your Redmi 13. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.